Hello students, good morning all of you. Once again I am Vikas Kumar Tiwari in front of you with maths class. Students, in previous class you had learned about triangle, types of triangle and two theorems. One is angle sum property of triangle and the second one is exterior angle property of triangle. Then according to first theorem, the sum of the all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And according to exterior angle property of triangle, the exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So now today I am going to solve your previous homework exercise 6.3. So students, first question of this exercise is simple and so easy. So I will solve your second question. And your second question of that exercise is, in figure angle x is equal to 62 degree. This is the angle x, 62 degree. Angle xyz is equal to 54 degree. This one is angle xyz is equal to 54 degree. If YO and ZO bisect, this one is YO and this one is ZO, bisect angle XYZ as well as XZY, then find angle YZOZY एंड एंगल YOZ. देन इस एंगल को निकालना है और इस एंगल को निकालना है. So this is given. Now because angle YOZ and OZY, these angles are the part of angle triangle YOZ. So first we try to find the value of Z, and value of Z is, angle Z is the part of triangle XYZ. So in triangle XYZ, the sum of all angles is 180 degree. Angle X plus angle XYZ plus angle XZY is equal to 180 degree according to the property of angle sum property of triangle XYZ. The value of X is given 62. The value of XYZ is also given 54 degree. So we can find the value of XZY. And the required value of XZY is 64 degree. Again, here it is also given that YO is the bisector of angle XYZ. So we can write here angle YOYZ is equal to half angle XYZ because YA is bisector. That means divides in two equal parts. So we can write 1/2 into 54 degree is equal to 27. The value of this angle is 27 degree. Again, ZO bisects angle XZY. ZO bisect angle XZY. So angle OZY is equal to half angle XZY. So the value of OZY is 32 degree. Now in this triangle we find the value of this angle, so we can find the value of YOZ. by using the angle sum property of triangle. So we can apply here. Now in triangle OYZ, angle YOZ plus angle OYZ plus angle OZY is equal to 180 degree. The sum of these three angles. So change the value, put here value of the given angle and find the value of angle YOZ. So required value of angle YOZ is equal to 121 degree. Now question number 3. In figure, if AB parallel to DE, this one, AB is parallel to DE, angle BAC is equal to 35 degree. This one is BAC is 35 degree and CDE is 53 degree. Find angle DCE. Then find the value of DCE. Again students, look here. Angle DCE is the part of triangle DCE. So to find the value of angle DCE, we must find the value of angle DEC. So because AB parallel to DE and A is the transversal line, so 35 degree is equal to this angle by alternate interior angle. So we can write here angle CED equal to angle BAC by alternate interior angle. So angle CED is equal to 35 degree. CED is equal to 35 degree. Now in this triangle CDE, the sum of all these three angles is equal to 180 degree. Angle CED plus angle CDE plus angle DC is equal to 180 degree. Put their value and we get the angle of DCE is equal to 92 degree. Now in question number 4, in figure, if lines PQ and RS, look here, PQ and RS intersect at point T पर intersect करता है, such that इस रूप में कि angle PRT, look here, PRT is equal to 40 degree, angle RPT is equal to 95 degree and angle TSQ is equal to 75 degree. Then find angle SQT. Where is SQT? SQT, this value. Again look here students, angle SQT is the part of this triangle. One angle of this triangle is known. So we find the second angle and then find third angle. So first we talk about this triangle. Here two angle of this triangle is given. So we can find the third angle, this angle. And when we find this angle, then we can find this also by vertical opposite angles. And now when two angles of this triangle is known, then we can find the third angle by using the property of triangle. So in triangle PTR, this is the angle, triangle PTR, the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. PTR plus PRT plus RPT equal to 180 degree. Put here the value and find the angle of PTR is equal to 45 degree. This is PTR is equal to 45 degree. And because angle PTR is equal to angle QTS by vertical opposite angles, so this value is also 45 degree. 45 degree. In triangle STQ, in this triangle, in triangle STQ, the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree. So we can write the sum of these three angles and find the value of SQT. Now in third question, in figure if PQ is perpendicular to PS, this is PQ and this one is PS. PQ parallel to SR. PQ is parallel to SR. Angle SQR is equal to 28. This angle is 28 degree. Then find the value of X and Y. Now look here. PQ is parallel to SR. And you can say also ST. So these are parallel lines and this line is a transversal line. So this whole angle is equal to this angle by which property? The property of alternate interior angles are equal. So we can write angle PQR equal to angle QRT is equal alternate interior. So their sum here is two angle. So sum of these two angle is equal to 65 degree. 65 degree. We put the value of angle SQR 28 degree plus PQR. We find the value of angle PQR. That is the value of angle X. This is the value of angle X. So required value of angle X is 37 degree. Now to find the value of angle Y, we look here triangle PQS. The value of X is obtained. This value is 90 degree. So we can find the value of Y again by using angle sum property of triangle. So we can write angle X plus angle Y plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. Here angle X plus angle Y plus angle P equal to 180 degree. Put the value of angle P is 90, angle Y and the value of angle X is 37, and solve this. Then we find the value of angle Y is equal to 53 degree. And the last question of this exercise is, in figure the side QR of triangle PQR is produced to a point S. QR के एक साइड को कहाँ तक प्रोड्यूस किया गया? S तक. If the bisectors of PQR का बाइसेक्टर कौन है? QT एंड PRS का बाइसेक्टर है RT. दोनों एंगल्स का बाइसेक्टर कहाँ मिलते हैं? मीट्स एट पॉइंट T. देन प्रूव दैट एंगल QTR. लुक हियर दिस ट्रायंगल. रिलेशन किसको निकालना है? इसमें और इसमें. तो हम लोग को पहले ध्यान देना होगा कि टू फाइंड द रिलेशन बिटवीन देम वी ट्राई टू सॉल्व एंड मस्ट रिमेंबर दैट what is the value, which value is common in both of this triangle. So first of all, when QT bisect angle PQR, so we can write angle 1 equal to angle 2. Here angle 1 equal to angle 2 and angle 3 equal to angle 4. Now in triangle PQR, PRS is an exterior angle. So we can write angle PRS equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR by exterior angle property. So we can write angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle QPR, क्योंकि यही दोनों एंगल का सम है. बिकॉज QT is the bisector, so we can write angle 1 equal to angle 2. So angle PQR is equal to 2 times angle 2. 2 times angle 4 is equal to 2 times angle 2 QPR. Change the side of 2. Angle 4 equal to 2, angle 2 by 2 plus angle QPR by 2. 2 cancel, so we can write angle 4 equal to angle 2 plus angle QPR by 2. This one is equation first. Again, in triangle TQR, angle 4 is the exterior angle. So we can write angle 4 equal to angle 2 plus angle QTR. So look here, angle 4 equal to angle 2 plus angle QTR. This is equation second. Now the LHS of the equation second is angle 4, and the LHS of equation first is also angle 4. Then if LHS of the equation, these two equations are equal, so their RHS value are also equal. So we can write angle 2 plus angle QTR is equal to angle 2 plus angle QPR by 2. Here angle 2 cancel, so we can write angle QTR equal to angle QPR by 2 proved. And this is your solution of exercise 6.2, and your homework, your today's homework is exercise 7D, and this exercise is from R.S. Agrawal. Thank you.